In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom button on a related list, Salesforce. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a list button that appears on a related list and triggers the action you want. Start by signing in to Salesforce and opening your Lightning homepage. Make sure you're working in the correct environment and that you have the proper permissions to access, set up, and edit objects. When you're ready, click the gear icon and open Settings, then choose the option to open the Advanced Setup area. This takes you to the full administrative console where we'll make our changes. From Setup, go to Object Manager. Here, pick the object that owns the related list you're targeting. For this walkthrough, we'll use Contact as the example object. Once you're on the Contact Object Setup page, look for the section called Buttons, Links, and Actions. This is where all custom buttons for the object are defined. Click New Button or Link to begin creating your button. Give it a clear, concise label and a unique name that makes it easy to identify later. For display type, select List Button. This choice is important. Only list buttons appear on related lists, whereas detail page buttons appear on individual record pages. If your goal is to bulk select records from a related list and perform an action, List Button is the correct option. Next, set the behavior to display in existing window with sidebar. This keeps users in the same tab and maintains the standard Salesforce frame, which helps with consistent navigation and reduces context switching. It's a good default when you want to minimize disruption to the user's workflow. For content source, choose either URL or Visualforce page. Pick URL if you're simply navigating to a specific destination, passing parameters, or initiating a standard flow or screen. Choose Visualforce page if you need a custom interface or server-side logic that the button should open. The right choice depends on how sophisticated your action needs to be. Now define the action formula. If you selected URL, compose a relative path and include merge fields from the object, such as record IDs or other field values, to pass along context. Keep your parameters clean and URL encode values when necessary. If you selected Visualforce, reference the page you've prepared and ensure it can accept the context it needs. Finally, save the button. Your new list button is now available to place on related lists where appropriate. When it's been added, test it on a record with that related list to confirm it opens correctly and performs the intended action.